Welcome back, everyone. This is Josh Cancinos with Josh Can Invest, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 stocks for the week of January 18th, 2021. Wanted to start off this video by saying I'm not a financial advisor and that a lot of these stocks that I'm about to talk about and the stock market as a whole are inherently risky, and I honestly believe that you should never invest more money than you are prepared to lose in the stock market, guys. Also, I wanted to mention that in the description below, I'll be posting links to Webull and Robinhood for you guys to set up your accounts. If you haven't done so already, you'll get a free stock worth up to a few $100s with your first deposit. Also, I'll have the link to the Josh Can Invest Facebook group down there as well. I would love for you guys to join and be a part of that also. With that being said, you guys, I wanted to go ahead and get into these 3 stocks. Also, if you stick around to the end, I'm going to be throwing in a 4th bonus stock to talk about for you guys. I believe these are all going to be great stocks moving forward. First stock I'm going to be talking about here, you guys, is FRSX, or Foresight Autonomous Holdings. It's a company that deals in the manufacture and development of autonomous vehicle technologies. I personally believe that as we move forward and the EVs kind of start to take over, that the next thing that vehicle manufacturers are going to try to tackle is vehicle autonomy. You know, they're kind of doing that already with the self-driving features and self-parking features that they have, as well as all the cameras that they're putting on the newer vehicles. And Foresight Autonomous really feeds right into that. I personally believe that one of the cool things about them is they're already working with one of the biggest manufacturers in the world. It says here that they're doing a pilot project with one of the top Japanese vehicle manufacturers, and I have done some research and I believe that manufacturer is Toyota. They're actually developing a small city in Japan to test out this new system called the V2XX that Foresight is developing and actually testing with the help of Toyota. Another great thing is that I personally believe that right now we are getting this at a discount. It was actually trading as high as $9 last Friday, the last trading day, and it did dip towards the end of the market day. It's currently at $7.82 in the after hours. Personally, I think if we can get this below $8 or even in the low 8s, there are even price targets out from analysts saying that this could easily go up to $10. I personally believe even further than that in the future. The next stock we have here, guys, is Mara, or Marathon Patent Group. I honestly love Mara for 2 big reasons. They feed off of Bitcoin. They're actually a Bitcoin mining company, and right now they are trading at a discount. They recently did a direct offering, which did hit them pretty hard. They were trading at around $26, $27 a share, dropped down to $22 a share. Personally, like I said, guys, I think that's a great buying point. There is a lot of upside for Mara because, like I said, they do feed off of Bitcoin. If you actually look at a lot of Mara's charts, they directly correlate to Bitcoin and how Bitcoin rises and falls, the same peaks and valleys you'll see in Mara's charts. But Bitcoin moving forward, you guys, has huge upside. I'm personally very bullish on Bitcoin, you guys. It has been hitting very high highs as of late, hitting up to about $40,000. But I personally believe it's just scratching the surface of what it could be long term. I've seen people saying that it could easily cross over $100,000. And the good thing about Mara is it lets us feed off of that without having to go out and spend $30,000, $40,000 on Bitcoin and still have some of that profit through Mara. The next stock I'm going to talk about here, guys, is IPOD Social Capital. It's a SPAC. I'm going to go ahead and throw in IPOF there with it. It's Chamath Palihapitiya's SPACs. I kind of touched on him in one of my previous videos, but Chamath's previous SPACs have done great, you guys. Some of his previous ones were Virgin Galactic, Open Door, and his most recent IPO SPAC is trying to acquire SoFi and bring them to market. So he's built up a great track record for himself. And I personally believe that IPOD and IPOF could be next on that list of great SPACs with huge potential upside. I've also heard rumors that AutoGrid is a potential target for IPOD. AutoGrid is a great company that deals in the management, storage, and distribution solutions for companies. They've already partnered with companies such as LG, Tesla, Sunrun, even ChargePoint, and these companies are going to be huge companies moving forward as we move into a new era of more green energy. And I believe that if AutoGrid can merge with IPOD, that's going to be a huge winner, you guys. So, like I said, just keep an eye out for that. They are just rumors at the moment, but regardless of that, IPOD and IPOF, I believe, have huge upside moving forward. I'm going to go ahead and get into our bonus stock here, you guys. It's going to be NNDM, Nano Dimensions. I've heard a lot about this stock, guys. There's a lot of hype around it, but personally, I believe a lot of it could turn out to be true. NNDM is a company that deals in the production and distribution of 3D printing systems that are super precise and allow for the production of 3D printed electronics and circuits, things of that nature. I think they're going to be huge in the biotech industry, and moving forward, that sector is going to really grow with the help of NNDM. Another great thing about Nano Dimensions is ARK Invest has invested into this company, really helping them move forward, knowing that they're being backed by such a great company like ARK Invest, and they're being put in those ETFs as well. So, like I said, guys, NNDM is going to be a great stock moving forward, a lot of upside on it for the future. And that's where I'm going to wrap it up, you guys. I really appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully these are some stocks that you will look to at least add to your watch list, if nothing else. I will be looking to add some of these stocks to my portfolio. Some of them I already have in my portfolios as well. But I really appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, liking, and helping me grow this channel. Thank you so much for your support. Again, my name is Josh Cancinos. This is Josh Can Invest, and we'll see you next time.